DuPont from Les Maisons Partners, powered by Keller Williams Realty. And I'm here today with our local design expert, Knetta Lilly. Knetta, why don't you tell a little bit about yourself and about your boutique and business?
Okay, I'm Knetta Lilly. I am a Atlanta interior decorator. I specialize in giving people the high-end look for less, which means most of the things I carry are thrifted, which means they're things I found secondhand, they're not brand new. My design business, I have an interior design business that is KLilly Interiors, okay? And I also have a store, a boutique, and it's named Savvy Home Boutique. And in the boutique, I carry a lot of the items that I find thrifting. And how I started is I used my inventory to actually design projects with. I would find stuff that was great pieces, and I would just use that to decorate projects, and I'd save it. And I couldn't use everything I found for my own house, so I would just save it and keep it for in the future design projects, and it just has grown beyond that. So that's what I do in a nutshell. So
We're here today to talk about spring design trends.
yeah.
And so, what we have been hearing as realtors over and over and over is how do I really update and freshen up my home and my spaces for spring? So, I just wanted to know a little bit about if there were any particular colors or anything that was very popular that you're seeing a lot of these days.
Well, for the most part, I see a lot of grays, people doing a lot of gray. And gray is a very neutral tone, and I think gray is a tone that can almost go with any color. You can pair grays with blues, green, black and white, obviously. It goes with so many colors. You can do it with gold, and you can give it a fresh look. And so, like in this space, we have a lot of gray walls, and we have colored furniture. So you can do that to pop your furniture, to pop your space out as well. Also, just using nice accent rugs, pillows, things like that. Artwork. It may seem very simple, but it's about choosing the right scale, right size, and texture of items to bring your space all together.
Okay, so, and that leads me to my next question, which is, are you seeing particular textures? We're hearing a lot of people are saying that they're trying to do a lot of play with textures and prints. I don't know if there's anything that's really coming back. We've heard that animal print is making a comeback, so, and mirrored textures.
Yes. A lot of people, it just depends on what your design style. If your design style is more glam, that is more like mirrored kind of furniture and that type of thing, what they call bling. Uh, a lot of things that's really popular right now is the farmhouse design. That's a lot of the rustic tones, the woods, the grays, and just that type of thing that's got a little bit more of a homey feel. Sometimes can have more of a, I don't want to say cabin, but just like a rustic, old Nantucket kind of feel that I
Okay.
would think. So farmhouse design is very popular right now. But you can just mix it. You can do a lot of different things. You don't have to stay in one place. You could be kind of eclectic. You can kind of mix farmhouse pieces with glam pieces. Just depends on what you want to create. Now, as far as from a real estate perspective, I would want to appeal to a broader audience. So something just really neutral, but just kind of mix it up and give it your own personality. But it's your accents that really make the room pop.
Okay. So if somebody has a small space,
Mm-hmm.
how can they make that space appear bigger? How can they stay current and trendy,
Right.
even though they have a smaller space to work with?
Okay. Like small spaces, a couple things I would recommend for small spaces is armless armless pieces, armless sofas, armless chairs, things of that nature. Those things create the illusion of space. Mirrors, glass, acrylic, all of those things are very clear, so it gives the appearance of space. So definitely, I would recommend those type of things when you have smaller spaces. Also, I'm sure you all are selling homes, but even in homes, they do sell. I mean, in stores, they do sell what's called apartment size furniture. So if you have a 3,000 square foot house, there's a certain size sectional you would put in there. But whether you have 1,000 square foot house or 900 square foot house, you couldn't put that size sectional. You would probably put a smaller sectional that maybe just has a chaise and a two cushion seat or something like that. So keeping things light, airy, open, and that all of those play into giving the illusion of space. And that's what I would recommend.
Okay.
Armless pieces, glass.